Hello everyone. In the previous class, you all have learned what are mixtures, what are the type of mixtures, what are the properties of mixtures, and where is the need of separating mixtures, different methods of separating mixtures. Now let's start the new topic, separating insoluble solids from liquids. Now first understand what are insoluble solids. Insoluble solids in which the solid doesn't dissolve in a given liquid, like sand, chalk powder and iron fillings, because their particles are insoluble in water. So how you can separate such insoluble solids from liquids? There are three methods: sedimentation, decantation and filtration. These three methods you can see or observe in your daily life. For example, when your mother is cleaning cereals and pulses, like when your mother is going to cook rice, first she soak in the water, then the rice will settle down and the dust particles will come up with the help of water. This is sedimentation. After that, she just remove the water. This is decantation. Filtration method, like when your mother cook tea, she filter the tea leaves and take out the solution. So like this only, sedimentation, the process in which insoluble impurities settle at the bottom of the liquid to form sediment. In this, you can see the muddy water is settled down at the bottom and water come up. Now you can remove the water. This process is decantation. In filtration process, the process by which very fine insoluble solids can be separated from a liquid solid mixture by passing it through a suitable porous materials like filter paper. The liquid obtained after filtration is called a filtrate. Example, tea. This is the activity you can try at your home to separate a mixture of mud and water. You have to take 2 beakers and fill with water and mud, mix it well, allow to rest for 15 to 20 minutes, and after some time you will observe that mud is settled down and the water is come up. After that you can remove the water. Now the next method is how to separate soluble solids from liquids. Soluble solids are those that completely dissolve in a given liquid, like lemonade, in which sugar and salt are mixed, and a very fine solution you will get, a clear solution. Now how to separate such solids from the water? There are two methods for this: evaporation and condensation. Now let's understand evaporation by this activity. Take a mixture of salt and sand, mix it well, and after that add mud in that. Mix it well and then separate mud with the help of filter paper, and after that boil the mixture. You will observe that salt would be left behind in the beaker and water will evaporate. Now what is condensation? It is the process in which a gas changes into liquid on cooling. When we boil water in a kettle,